So I'm going to show you how you can find some free games that you want to play on your MacBook, right? Because most games that are on here, you have to sign up to a lot of things, and a lot of them you have to pay for. So the first thing you want to do is go to your browser and go to Steam and download the Steam app. This is an app that can help you to find games that you can play on your app. And I'm actually going to show you the kind of games you want to look for. So right here I have my Steam open, my Steam account, and this is where you can look for games. And unfortunately, Mac doesn't have a lot of really good games that you can play on it, because it's Mac. Most games are meant for Windows. So what you want to do is, I'm going to go to my library here, and I'm going to show you a couple of games you can look at. So the first one is Asphalt Legends. You can look for this one. It's a racing game. That's also a free to play game that you can just download and you can start to play. And the next one here is called Pixel Gun 3D. This is a first-person shooter game that you can literally just play. So first off, I'm gonna show you Asphalt Legends, and just to show you how it works and how you can actually play it, it's very simple. So right now I have launched it, and it's gonna open up nice and easy like this. And again, this is a free game that I didn't have to pay for or anything like that. So you basically just make it full screen like this, and then it's gonna load into the game. And you can see the MacBook is not even connected to the power here, and it's working fine. So in case maybe you're traveling or anything like that, you can go ahead and play it. So there you go. So I can see my car right here, and I can control it, and I'm basically just using the trackpad to control it like that. And then if I go into play right here, I can actually select a race. Let me go next. I'm just gonna pick one car here, and then it's gonna load into a game just like that. So this is a simple free game. Let me just turn down the music, also in case for copyright issues as well. And as you can see, it's running nice and smoothly. There you go. As you can see, you can actually play the game without any hiccups or any problems like that. Thanks so much for watching. I don't want to make this video too long. That's how you can download these games. So look for those two games, and you'll be able to have some fun games you can play on your MacBook for free.